Hi guys. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Hold on, let me try to be a YouTuber. Okay. Don't mind my hair though and my voice because I'm sick. So my last video from YouTube was probably like a year ago, and I have been receiving from people that they wanted me to do or continue my YouTube videos, which is weird because I don't even know that people were watching it. And I mean by people, like 4 of my friends. Here's a little story. I broke my foot, and that's the reason why I went back to doing these videos, because my boyfriend and I went to an ATV for my birthday by the dunes. But I keep doing this because I look fat. Oh god. Oh my god. The makeup that I'm gonna be doing right now is stuff that I'm not comfortable doing. Like, I don't usually do these kinds of makeup on my face, so I wanted to do something different, like a challenging one. So I already put on my contact lenses, as you can see. If you guys hear somebody talking behind, it's my mom, my brother, and my son. I'm gonna put this for Sally on my face just to hydrate it, I guess. I don't even know what this is, but I keep seeing a lot of makeup girls do this, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. So they usually have it drip like that, so that's what I'm gonna do. I've only used it like once. It's probably expired already, but who cares, you know? Now I'm going to prime my face with this Smashbox primer water photo finish. This is probably expired too. Oh, it smells so bad. That just means it's really expired. After doing the primer, now it's all dried up, I think. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna put on my All Hours foundation by... I'm not gonna use this foundation because, you know, if you can't pronounce it, don't use it. At Poreless foundation by Fit Me. I'm a 220. Ah! Ah! I'll put some on my neck over your eyes. I'm going to be using my Morphe Y6. Is it too light? Oh, no, it's not. Do you guys know I don't watch my YouTube videos? So it's a privilege that you've watched it because I haven't myself. I only watch it when I edit the videos. But other than that, I don't like me when I'm watching me. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna conceal my eyes under eye, and I'm gonna use this Tarte, my favorite of all time. I've been using for such a long time, ever since I started doing my makeup. 4 years. Another reason why I did is because I've just washed everything. My brushes, my sponges. Also, I'm really excited to use them because it's clean. That's why we need makeup, so we can eat whatever we want and would still look pretty if you're good at doing your makeup. So that's why I kind of got back to doing my makeup. Oh, look. Girl! See? Y'all just need makeup. What y'all talking about being ugly? Now I'm gonna bake it. I'm using this Laura Mercier. Do you know why we bake makeup? It's because the areas on your face that gets really, really oily after a long time, you bake those parts so it doesn't crease. I usually sweat on this part. I'm going to do my eyebrows. The reason why I'm filming my eyebrows is because I'm going to try something new with my eyebrows. I'm going to try to make it longer because I noticed that my face is really fat and big, and like, you get what I'm saying? If I try to make my eyebrows a little bit longer, maybe it's not gonna, you know, just trying to experiment things so I don't look fat. Kylie Cosmetics. And I'm gonna be using this medium brown dip Pro Made from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've seen videos that doing their eyebrows and then I don't know what I'm saying. I don't even know what I was about to say. The place that I'm sitting at is the window and it's open, so I have natural lighting and everyone can see me talking to myself. But you know, I gotta do it for y'all because you've been requesting for a video. So like, shout out to my boyfriend, my friend, 3 of my friends that told me to do this video. See? Y'all see that? Ha! If you watch Friends, dude, like, I love you. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other one. Okay, now I'm gonna use this chocolate powder duo brow, whatever. I'm gonna use this kind of brush, and I'm pretty sure this is a paintbrush or something. But I'm gonna use it and then use the darker color, and then I'm just gonna fill. Oh, I can use this mirror. I'm just gonna fill. Okay, so now we're done with brows. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna take this powder off my face first because it's been there for a while. I don't usually do this, but I'm gonna do this contour shape tape, darker shade. I'm gonna contour my face with this. Oh, I'm scared. I'm gonna blend it out. And when you do cream contour, make sure that, I don't know, because I don't do it. Okay. See, I told you guys, I'm not comfortable with this because I don't do this. I think it's okay. See? Do you see that? My face is a little bit narrowed down. Oh gosh, I'm thirsty. Drink your water, bitch. Use this Kylie bronzer. I'm an almond. I'm gonna use it to bronze my face a little bit. Girl. My blush. This is a Ladio matte blush. I don't know where I got it, but I think I got it from the drugstore. I'm gonna use this brush and then put some. Ooh, y'all see that? I'm using this kind of brush too. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Doing my makeup for like an hour now. Please watch it. Don't leave me behind. Okay, next, my eyeshadow, which is scary because I'm gonna do a cut crease. You know, I think my eyebrows are not in line, but whatever. Morphe Y16. I'm gonna prime my eye, which I don't do. I'm gonna just use my hands. Okay? And then I'm gonna use this brush, and then I'm gonna use this palette too. I just got this. I haven't been getting any new makeup. That's why I know that all my makeup are expired. So this is the Disney collection Midnight Masquerade, I think. Yeah, it's from ColourPop. It's really cute. Look. Ah! So it's like this. Now I'm gonna use Pip or PIP. This one. This one. After doing that, I'm gonna use, oh, I'm scared. And then I'm gonna do it right there on top of my crease. Now we're gonna change brushes, and I'm gonna use something pointy. I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna use this Gaston. This angle is not really good for me. Be putting it on the corner of my eye. Okay, I'm sorry for the noise because my mom's, I don't know what she's doing. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my crease using the same concealer, and I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm pretty sure this is a painting brush. And I'm gonna try to focus. And then I'm gonna use, I'm kind of intrigued with this pressed glitter. It's called Floating Lantern. I'm gonna use that, put it right there. You know, I'm scared. Let me try it. Look at that. Do y'all see that? Oh my god, it's so pretty. For this part, and I'm gonna just blend this out because it has a lot of harsh lines. Now I'm gonna do my wing liner. I'm gonna use this eyeliner pencil. It's a Amore. I got this from my friend. She gave it out on Mother's Day. Shout out to you at the Abbey. I'm gonna use my Anastasia. I'm gonna use Nutmeg. Why do I feel like they're not the same eyelashes? Last one is my highlighters. And then on my cheeks, I'm gonna use this. My back. Morphe brush. It looks like this. Oh, sorry, this is the Jeffree Star mini. Oh, they're so cute, aren't they? It's in mannequin. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Live in plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair. Now I'm done. I think I'm just gonna spray my face.